In the cognitive skill observe, we check the diagram and observe his part.
In description, we describe the components. For example, here I have the battery is of 9 volts. The protoboard, this is a potentiometer. This is of 100 kilo ohms. One resistor of 10 kilos. One capacitor of 100 microfarads. One of 1 microfarad. One oscillator 555. A resistor of 330 ohms. A button normally open and a LED.
The next cognitive skill is comparison. For comparison, we check all components and according with the diagram, select the better. For select this component, we compare the diagram and, for example, the capacitor of 100 microfarads. We have a lot of capacitors, but we need specifically the 100 microfarads, and this is of 100 microfarads, 10 microfarads.
Relation. We use this for make a relation to connect the circuit. All this observing the circuit and how we have to connect in the protoboard.
The next cognitive skill is sequencing. Here we have to follow some steps to create the circuit. For example, here in the diagram, the button is connected to positive. This line is connected to the positive of the battery, and we're going to put the button connected to positive. This red line is a positive, and here arrive to the button. And in the other hand is connected to the oscillator. Here to the number 2. The number 2 in the oscillator is this, and I'm going to connect that. And so we're going following the steps to create the circuit with the diagram. Follow the steps to create the circuit with the diagram. These are the results. This is the circuit created, and is when we apply the cognitive skill sequencing.
The next cognitive skill that we use is categorization. So we have a lot of components, and we need to categorize each component for his level. For example, this is a potentiometer and other potentiometer. Potentiometers, and there are capacitors. And resistors. So when we categorize, we put each group according with its level. We're going to classify when his group is 2, we check the value. For example, this is 100 kilos, 100 kilos, and there are 250 kilos. So we want to put in order 100. And next the capacitors, we check the value of each capacitor and put in order too. We're gonna analyze the circuits, the function according with the effect that we want. So we're going to connect, and then we press the button, and the LED needs to on during 5 seconds, and then the LED to off. So we're going to press the button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Like the results, we're back to turn on the LED by 5 seconds. We have to adjust the potentiometer in other position to get the LED is turned on by 5 seconds. And now we're going to check that
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
In the cognitive skill synthesis, we're going to make a synthesis of the cognitive skills that we used before in our circuit.
In the cognitive skill observe, we check the diagram and observe his part.
In the second cognitive skill that is described, we describe the components like the potentiometer, the resistor, the battery, etc.
In the next cognitive skill is comparison. In this cognitive skill we compare the parts of the circuit, and
in the cognitive skill relation, we relation the way of connect the components in the protop with the diagram.
the next is sequencing. In sequencing, we follow the steps for connect the circuit in the protobulb according with the diagram.
In the next cognitive skill, that is categorization, we categorize the components according to their nature.
And then we going to classify the components according with the group. For example, the capacitors are 1 microfarad to 100 microfarad.
In analysis, we have to analyze the function of the button. If we press the button, the circuit, the LED has to turn on by 5 seconds and then turn off. The last cognitive skill that we use is conclusion, and in conclusion we get to do the circuit through the 10 cognitive skills. Now we're going to prove to check one more time if it really functions. When I press the button, the LED has to turn on by 5 seconds and then turn off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's all. With this we conclude that the cognitive skills apply in all the things that we do.